Hey Google, turn off the light.
Got it.
Hey Google, turn the light pink.
Got it.
See?
Changing the...
Are you guys also interested in such cool technical videos? If yes, then you gotta subscribe this channel because I'm going to upload such technical videos every week. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and also don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss out any such cool stuffs. Thank you. And you guys know what? There is a really awesome thing that you can't even imagine about this smart bulb. Suppose you left your light on or kept the switch of the light on and you are very far away from your home. Then what will you do? In that case, you can just turn off the light from your mobile, from any location. You just need to have an internet connection, that's it, and you can turn on and off your light even from another country. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Saksham and today we are going to do an unboxing video of this smart bulb. Okay, as you can see over here, this is the Prolink smart bulb, which is a 12-watt smart bulb and it can be controlled by voice control, and we can change millions of colors with this smart light. Okay, and also there are many other kind of functions. So if you also want to know more about this smart light, then you can watch this video till the end because this is also of a very good budget. Okay, you can buy it easily and it will help to make your room very beautiful. Okay, so please watch the video till the end if you want to know more about this smart light. So now let us move towards its unboxing. Here we have got a little sticker, so let's pull it out and now let's take out our smart light. Okay, so here as you can see, this is our smart light. Okay, it's right here. Okay, so let me show it to you closely. As you can see, here is written, this is a 12-watt smart bulb. Okay, as you can see over here, 12-watt smart bulb. Okay, and it uses 220 to 240 volt and it is 50 to 60 hertz. Okay, power. So this is a Prolink 12-watt smart bulb, as I already said before. As you can see, its company name Prolink. This light is of screw type pin socket. Okay, in this light can only be supported in this kind of sockets which are in like this screw types. Okay, but if you have a pin type of socket in your home, then you can use a converter to convert this kind of socket to pin socket. Okay, you can buy a converter like this. Okay, so this is a screw type socket converter to pin type socket. Okay, now let's come back to this smart light box. Okay, so what else can we get to see here is, as you can see, this was the hole where the smart bulb was kept, and below that there is a manual. Okay, see, this is very small and cute manual. So now let us demonstrate this smart light also. Okay, so for that, first of all, we have to download our MEZ app. Okay, in our smartphone. Okay, so now let's bring our lamp. Okay, for connecting our smart light. Okay, so as you can see over here, our lamp is here. So now let us attach our smart light here. Okay, done. Let us turn our smart light on. Okay, so our smart light is turned on now. As you can see here, it is blinking automatically. Okay, it is blinking like slowly, right? So when you will turn the smart light on for the first time, it will blink slowly only. Okay, because we haven't connected it with our mobile. So first of all, we have to connect it with our smartphone's app, then only it will work. Okay, or else we cannot control anything. Okay, so as I already told you, this smart light has an app, okay, called MEZ. So first of all, we have to download that in our smartphone. Okay, so I have already downloaded it. So now let's open it. Okay, as you can see over here, this blue color one, this one app. So we will just open it. Our smart light also has stopped blinking. Now we can use this easily. Now let us click on done. And it is loading. Okay, so as you can see, this is our application of our smart light. Okay, this is the original one. We can control everything from here, you won't even believe. Okay, so now let me show you. First of all, this thing, okay, let us see what is this. This is the switch. Like I told you, if you are feeling very lazy to go and turn off the light from the switch, like the main switch is okay. So now let us move towards this huge button. Now what is this? Okay, this is the color temperature control button. Okay, so this, as you can see here, there is a small dot over here which can be moved here and there across this huge, what we say, this whole huge space. So now what we will do is we will just hold this button and we can move it towards that side. As you can see, it's getting a bit like skinish color, right? As you can see, when I'm moving this side, it will be brighter like white color, and this is a bit like skinish color, right? So now I think I should turn off the lights so that you will see better. Okay, so let me just turn off the lights. Okay, so now all the lights are off. So now as you can see over here, okay, so see, this is the original color. Okay, it's very smooth. Okay, now let us move towards the next button, which is this brightness control. Okay, now this is very simple. Just move this brightness bar to the left side, and as you can see, the brightness of the light has changed. Okay, so when you are at night and you are reading, then you should turn this much brightness or a little bit less brightness, right? Because your eyes won't be damaged, right? You know, if you read at this much light, then your eyes will be affected. So that's why you can turn the brightness little bit low, as you can see, like this, and in this much light in night you can read easily, right? Okay, I have turned off one more light. Now it is very clear. Okay, so now let us move towards the main or the most awaited part of this video, which is the color changing system of this smart bulb. Okay, in this color mode you can actually change all the things. Okay, see here, this is the main mode of this smart light. Okay, or you can also say main feature. So here now you can change millions of colors. Okay, you can create any color you want. As you can see, the smart light is changing so fast as soon as I'm doing this. Okay, see, as soon as I'm moving like this my hand, it changes the color according to that only. Okay, let us change to red. See, it has done to red. Now let us change it to a bit cyan color. Okay, this is cyan. Let us change to blue. This is blue. Let us change to again red. Here is yellow, green, every color it has. Okay, and when you are like this, I mean when you are changing the colors, you can also change the brightness like previous. You can change your brightness like this. Now if we want to change the colors automatically, what we will do? I mean, we cannot just hold our mobile like this and then keep on doing like this, right, to change the colors automatically, because when we are doing some parties, then how are we going to catch our mobile whole day like this and keep doing like this, right? So for that there is different types of mode in this app. Here, let's go to here, this scene, as I showed you in the box also there was written scenario customization. So this is that same thing. Okay, here this next one, this is scenes. Okay, so this will show how you want to change your color. For example, if I click on colorful, then I will see, as you can see, I am just keeping my hand here, I am not touching anything, and it automatically changes the color. Okay, see, from blue to now next color, which is kind of yellow. Okay, my both hands are here. Okay, as you can see, and in this mode it automatically changes. Okay, it keeps on changing, and not only there are 1, 2 or 3 modes. Okay, there are various modes. As you can see, there are this much modes in this mood one. There is this holiday mode also, where there are this many modes, and there is this life mode also, where there are these many modes. Okay, so there are many modes. Now let's move on to our next thing, which is sync. Now what is sync is these things. As you can see, we can sync the color of the lights with the help of the music. For example, if I click on this rhythm, as you can see, there are 3 things. There are rhythm, game and romantic. So first of all, let us click on rhythm. So as you can see, how if I'm speaking, then the light is changing itself according to my rhythm, right? If I'm singing in a let's say talking. Okay, if I'm talking in a high voice, then the color changes brightly. If I'm talking in a low voice, then it changes little bit low. As you can see, I'm not doing anything. Okay, you can see this bar going up also, and now I'm singing, and or let's say talking. Now I'm talking, and according to that the colors are changing, right? So if you are in a disco party, then you can play any song and you can turn your mobile on like this, and this light will change the colors according to that only. Okay, So for example, let me play a song and
so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down.
the lights color according to the music. It was very fun, right? See, you can also see this bar going up, okay, and the color which the bar changes, the same color will be displayed over here, okay. And the next is customized mode, okay. So let me increase the brightness first. Okay, in this customized mode, you can choose which color should it be while it will turn on, okay. So most of us will choose white only, okay, because normal lights also when we turn on it will be white only, okay. It won't turn on like this colorful lights, right? So I will choose white only at here, and the brightness I will keep here full, okay. Now if I click on save in this initial mode, then here I will show you what happens now, okay. Suppose I am just changing the colors like this, okay. I suppose change the colors to this a bit pinkish type of color, right? Now next time when I will turn this light on by doing off, as you can see I did off. Now if I turn on, it will be white color one lamp, okay, because I choose white color, right, to be as my initial like default light, to be as my default light. So that's why it changes white color. And if I change this again to like this green color and I will turn it again off and on, then it will change to white only, okay, automatically. So this mode is better because this is like most of the normal lights, okay. So that's why I will choose this mode. And next thing is, okay, now if you want to connect your smart light to your Google Assistant, now what you can do is in this app only, here these triple dots, as you can see in the top, this menu button. In this menu button, if you click over here, then here you will find different kinds of settings, okay. Now you have to click on this one, Google Assistant, right? Now here you will get a set of instructions which you want to follow, okay. Link with account password, and here is instructions. So if you want, you can follow all these instructions. Okay, so I will just speak, okay. Hey Google, turn off the light.
Got it. Turning the
As you can
light
see,
off.
like you saw, Google automatically turned off, right? And here the message is also displayed, as you can see. I said turn off the light, and here is written, got it, turning the smart light off, okay. So you can use your Google Assistant to control the devices like this. You can also use Amazon Alexa or that Siri, okay. But I have now Google Assistant only, so I will use this only, okay. So now let us do it again. Hey Google, turn on the light.
Got it. Turning the smart light on.
As you can see, it was very simple, right? Now when you are sleeping or you are doing some work and you are very lazy to turn on and off the light, what you can do is you can just say Google, turn off the light, that it will automatically be turned off. Now you just can't turn and off the light, okay, because you can also do many other things which are color changing, and you can also increase or decrease the brightness from this Google Assistant only. Now let me show you how to do, okay. Hey Google, make the light blue.
Got it.
See, it was very simple. The smart light turned into blue. Now let us change to pink, okay. Hey Google, turn the light pink.
Got it.
See,
Changing the
it
smart
changed
light
pink. And you can also control the brightness, okay. Now let me show you by controlling the brightness. Hey Google, make the light's brightness to 50%. See,
Got it.
it became a little bit
Smart
dimmer.
brightness to
Hey Google, turn on the light.
Alright.
Now it will turn out. See, now it turn on in full brightness, okay. So that's why I set it before only to 100% brightness. So now it will be very easy. Now you can also choose to control this smart bulb with your app if you want, or you can also control it with the Google Assistant. Okay, it's your wish. If you also want to buy this converter socket which converts screw pin to this pin type of socket, then I'll also give this link in the description. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, then please say me in the comment box, and if you also like this smart bulb, then please say me how it is in the comment box. And if you want to buy this smart bulb, I will give the link in the description. It's of around $20. Okay, so I hope you will buy both these things, because both the things are very useful and it will help your home to be very attractive and colorful. So please like, share and subscribe my channel if you enjoyed today's video. Till then, bye bye.